Have you ever wondered how researchers explore the complex phenomena of human behavior and social interaction? Welcome to the Psychology and Physical Training channel, Introduction to Qualitative Analysis. One of the key methods they use is qualitative analysis. Unlike its sibling, quantitative analysis, which zeroes in on numbers and statistical data, qualitative analysis delves into the intricate tapestry of human experiences, emotions, and interactions. It's like an investigative journey into the depth of human behavior and social interaction. The beauty of qualitative analysis lies in its emphasis on the why and how of things, rather than just the what. It allows researchers to dig deep to understand not just the occurrence of a phenomenon, but also its underlying reasons and contexts. It's a powerful tool in the researcher's arsenal, illuminating the complexities of human behavior and social phenomena in a way no other method can. Now that we have a basic understanding of what qualitative analysis is, let's dive into the techniques used in this process. Data collection in qualitative analysis. The first step in qualitative analysis is data collection. But how is it different from other methods of data collection? In qualitative analysis, the methods of data collection can differ significantly from those used in quantitative research. These methods are designed to capture rich, detailed data that provide a deep understanding of the research subject. They are more about understanding the why rather than the how many or how much. One of the most common methods is interviewing. This allows researchers to delve deep into an individual's experiences, thoughts, and perceptions. Interviews can be structured, semi-structured, or unstructured, each offering varying degrees of flexibility. They can provide a wealth of nuanced information, but it's important to remember that the quality of the data depends heavily on the interviewer's skills. Observations are another method, offering a window into people's behavior in their natural settings. Researchers can observe and record events or interactions, taking note of nonverbal cues and environmental factors. This method can yield authentic data, unfiltered by personal biases or perceptions. But it requires a keen eye for detail and often a considerable investment of time. Document analysis involves examining written or visual materials like letters, photographs, or even social media posts. It can offer historical context or insights into people's perspectives. However, it's crucial to be aware of potential biases in these sources and to interpret them critically. These methods aren't mutually exclusive. In fact, they often complement each other well. For example, observations could be followed by interviews to clarify and probe deeper into observed behaviors. Or document analysis could be used to support findings from interviews. The key here is to collect rich, detailed data that can provide insights into the research subject. This is what sets qualitative analysis apart. It's not about counting responses or measuring variables. It's about understanding experiences, perceptions, and meanings. Data collection is a crucial step in qualitative analysis, setting the stage for the next step, data analysis. Data analysis in qualitative analysis. After collecting the data, the next step is to analyze it. But how do we make sense of such a vast amount of information? Let's dive into the process of data analysis in qualitative research, which is much like solving a puzzle. Picture each piece of data as a puzzle piece, and our job is to find the right place for each one to make sense of the whole picture. This task isn't easy, considering the complexity and sheer volume of qualitative data. But don't worry, a systematic approach can make this task manageable. The first step in this process is coding. This involves organizing and categorizing the data. Imagine you've conducted several interviews. Coding would mean going through each transcript line by line and labeling or coding sections that share a common theme. This could be anything from feelings of anxiety to positive experiences. Coding is a dynamic process, and as you progress, new themes may emerge and old ones may evolve. Once we've coded all the data, the next step is to identify themes. This involves grouping the codes into broader categories or themes. For instance, feelings of anxiety and feelings of stress might be grouped into a broader theme like negative emotions. Identifying themes is a crucial step that helps us to see patterns and relationships within the data. The final step is interpreting the data. This is where we make sense of the themes and understand what they mean in the context of our research. This could involve comparing themes, drawing connections between them, and understanding their implications. The goal here is to draw meaningful conclusions from our data and to answer the research questions we set out with. Remember, qualitative data analysis is not a linear process. It is iterative. This means that we might need to revisit earlier steps as new insights emerge. While data analysis can be challenging, it is a vital step in qualitative analysis that helps us draw meaningful conclusions from our data. Reporting findings in qualitative analysis. Once we have analyzed the data, how do we communicate our findings effectively? This is a question that often arises in the process of qualitative analysis. The answer lies in the art and science of reporting findings, an essential part of research that bridges the gap between data and knowledge. The first step is writing up the results. This is where we transform the rich, complex world of qualitative data into a structured narrative. We organize our findings into themes, categories, or patterns that have emerged from the data. We make sense of the data, interpret what it means, and present it in a way that is meaningful and accessible. In qualitative analysis, words are our primary data. So when reporting findings, quotes are a powerful tool. They give voice to our participants, bringing their experiences, perspectives, and insights to life. When used effectively, quotes can illustrate a point, support an argument, or provide a vivid snapshot of the data. They are the raw, unfiltered voice of our research, and they add depth and authenticity to our findings. Visual representations are another key component of reporting findings. They can include things like graphs, charts, or diagrams that help to illustrate the data in a more tangible way. While qualitative data is fundamentally about words and meanings, visual representations can help to clarify, highlight, or simplify complex ideas or relationships. They offer a different way of seeing the data, and they can make our findings more engaging and accessible. It's important to remember that clear, concise reporting is vital to convey the research findings accurately. We need to be honest, transparent, and rigorous in our reporting. We need to show how we arrived at our findings, provide evidence to support them, and acknowledge any limitations. This is how we build credibility and trust in our research. Reporting the findings effectively is the final step in qualitative analysis, allowing us to share our insights and contribute to the broader knowledge base. So let's embrace this challenge and strive to communicate our findings in a way that is clear, engaging, and meaningful. Conclusion: qualitative analysis may seem complex, but by breaking it down into steps, we can navigate the process more effectively. This statement has guided us through our exploration today, as we've demystified the techniques of qualitative analysis. We started our journey by defining what qualitative analysis is, a research method that focuses on understanding the meaning and interpretation of data. It's a way to delve deep into a subject, peeling back layers to reveal rich, nuanced insights that numbers alone can't provide. This is the heart of qualitative analysis, the pursuit of depth over breadth. Next, we explored the crucial step of data collection, where we gather the raw materials for our analysis. We learned how interviews, observations, and document reviews can provide a wealth of information, each offering unique insights into our research topic. This step is the foundation upon which all subsequent analysis is built. Then we delved into data analysis, the process of making sense of our collected data. We discovered how coding, categorizing, and interpreting data can help us identify patterns, themes, and relationships. This is where we start to see the bigger picture, where our data starts to tell a story. We also discussed the importance of reporting findings. This is the stage where we share our insights, where we tell that story our data has revealed. We learned about the importance of clear, concise, and coherent reporting and how it can make our research accessible and impactful. Each step in this process is vital, carrying its own weight and importance. They each contribute to the overall success of our qualitative analysis, and skipping or rushing through any of them could compromise the integrity of our findings. With these techniques in hand, you're well equipped to delve into the fascinating world of qualitative analysis. Remember, the key is to remain curious and open-minded. the insights you'll uncover will be well worth the effort. And if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Psychology and Physical Training channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.